So I don't know how many of you have borrowed money from a bank, and I realize that many of us have borrowed from other people, from friends, from parents, from SACCOs, but I wonder how many have actually borrowed from banks. I'm sure they're there, but if you haven't, you want to listen to this video. This is Money Wise with Rina Hicks, where you create, grow, and preserve wealth. So the first time I borrowed from a bank, like proper, go into a bank, fill a loan form, get a loan, was about 3 years ago. I was allergic to borrowing money from banks. I was so fearful because of, I guess, the way that I was brought up. And so I finally, I needed some money quickly. I knew I was going to be able to repay within about 6 to 9 months. And so I thought, the rates were good at the time. I decided to borrow. Now, one of the things that I realized is that there's two accounts that are opened when you borrow money from a bank. There's a loan account and there's a current account. So after 9 months, I paid back my loan. And what would happen is I'd put money into the current account, and then the money that would go towards repaying the loan would be pulled by the loan account, or whatever terminology they use, to move money from the current account to the loan account. And so I repaid my money, and that was it. And it was over, and I'm done. But then I realized that my current account was still running, and this was a bank that I wasn't really using. It was like another bank that had an offer, and so I went for that particular loan. Now the thing is, with a current account, there are ledger fees that are charged. So if I left my account and I said, look, I've finished paying my loan and it's awesome, my loan is done, I've finished, and I move on and continue banking with my other bank, and then a year later I'd come back and find that my current account has accrued ledger fees of 500 shillings, or is it 900 shillings, whatever the typical ledger fees are, like every single month. And within a year you'd have 500 times 12. What is that? Is that 6,000 shillings? And imagine that you forget about that account for 2 years, for 3 years. I'm sure they'd call you anyway. But the point is, if you take a loan with a financial institution, you take a loan and you usually would have to open a current account to be able to access that money. My advice to you is, once you finish paying off the loan, please either convert the current account to a savings account so that then it doesn't accrue fees, or close the account entirely, finish that off and move on. But don't leave things hanging. Thank you for watching that video. I hope it's helped you. If you have any questions, please do post them. Our contact details are below. And so do write to us on sema@moneywise.co.ke. And guess what? We have finally launched our book. My book is out. Money Wise. It's out and it's now officially available. You can actually buy it online on mymook.com. We'll post a link down so that you can see, but you can just log on to the website and search the product, or the merchant is Wajiku Limited, and you'll be able to get Money Wise available there. It can be delivered to you, and if you prefer to pick up from the store, you can do that, and the information is on the website and you'll be able to do that. It's also available at Textbook Center. It's available at Keswick bookshops, so do get yourself a copy. If you have a copy already, buy it as a gift for a friend, somebody getting married. It will help them. So thank you so much. Please do share the videos, subscribe, so that you get to know what else is coming up. We have some interesting things in store for you guys, so stay tuned. This is Rina Hicks with Money Wise, where we create, grow, and preserve wealth.